Look at all of the colors on the map right now. Most of Texas is under a winter storm warning, so record-breaking temperatures, winter storms.
This live look 271 at 480. Heavy rain coming down. A flash flood warning just issued for this area. Wanted to keep a close eye on the roadways because we could be seeing some ponding and low visibility issues over in that area because of the heavy rain coming down. Zooming in, you can see this dark red box right here. That's where the flood warning is issued. This storm has really blossomed within the last half hour or so, dumping about 2.5 inches of rain.
You need stuff to keep you warm as this Arctic air moves in, Jamie. And in fact, I just got a notification sent right to my watch here that there's been a couple of updates in the winter storm warning. I'll go ahead and update the map for you coming up in the next half hour. But wanted to let you know Cairo, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas are now under a winter storm warning, meaning those snowfall totals are probably going to be a little bit higher, upwards of 5 to 8 inches in some of those southern counties. What a wild weather day. Now, in between showers and storms, a lot of you guys actually picked up on a rainbow. This was from Kevin Macy, North Olmsted, a pretty low angled rainbow. You can see the clouds above it actually pretty ominous. And we've seen a lot of kind of scary looking clouds. Harmless though. This is a shelf cloud that a lot of us have seen. This is the leading edge of the line of thunderstorms that's currently moving through the area. Now it is harmless. It's all that cold air rushing out of that warm air, but it is a good indicator that storms are coming. And that's exactly what we saw. This is over at Huntington Beach.
Some rain and snow, those are the next big things in our first alert forecast, along with, dare I say, Kelly, a warm-up.
The best part of everything you just said.
I know, but we got to get through some things first before we see that one.
Yeah, we're going to be tracking a system, Shannon, that is going to move through tomorrow night into early Monday. That could cause some slick spots for that early morning commute. Guys, I'm so excited for tomorrow. In fact, Terminal Tower is going to light up Mars red tonight and early Thursday in celebration of the rover landing. We're going to be covering it all during Science School tomorrow as well. We're even going to talk to some local scientists who helped work on the Perseverance mission. It's finally happening. I've been talking about it all week long. NASA's Perseverance rover landing on Mars later today around 4 o'clock. Convection. We're heating up the air inside the tea bag. What's density? Density just means it takes up more space. Because of this, the cooler air from the outside of the rocket rushes up inside, replacing the warmer air and causing the rocket to blast off.
I mean, your countertop was great, and it just, boom.
I mean, the first time it happened when I did it and I filmed myself, the reaction, I was like, oh my gosh, it worked. It really worked. Science worked.
I love it.
If our hand won't break an egg, maybe we can try to walk across some eggs without them breaking. Equal pressure on all. Yep. There you go. There you go. Oh, awesome. You didn't crack any egg.
It explodes and goes flying into the air. You can see the reaction happening and the pressure building inside of the paint can before it goes flying. Notice afterwards there's tons of fizzy baking soda left all over. Those are some of the carbon dioxide bubbles. The best science experiments usually leave the biggest messes. Nice!
Powered by Northeast Factory Direct. Great furniture, amazing prices.
I want to start off with this live look downtown to show you why the streets look a little bit wet and why it's looking like it's kind of foggy out there. We've got some low-level moisture in place from this little system that scooted north of the area. That brought some low-level clouds, which is bringing some really light mist, which is freezing on contact. So we're seeing freezing drizzle and freezing mist. We'll probably see for the next hour or so. Could really leave some slick spots, especially on untreated surfaces. A lot of reports of car windshields being coated in that thin glaze of ice. For the most part, the main interstates are looking okay. But again, sidewalks, anything like that, rural areas, streets that haven't been treated, keep in mind there could be some icy spots overnight. Now let's talk about this big old winter storm that is headed our way Monday. Winter storm watch in effect Monday morning through Tuesday. Widespread, we're expecting 5 to 10 inches with big travel impacts mainly early in the morning Monday and then again overnight Monday into Tuesday. We are not alone in feeling this winter pain. Look at all of the colors on the map right now. Most of Texas is under a winter storm warning, so record-breaking temperatures, winter storms being impacted across the United States here. And we're going to continue to see this storm impact our area by President's Day. Now Sunday we are going to be dry most of the day for your Valentine's Day. We'll talk more about the Valentine's Valentine's Day forecast coming up in the next half hour, but want to walk you through the system here. This is 4 a.m. Monday. You can see the snow moving through. This will be our first round of a few inches. Clears out by lunchtime. In fact, we will have some areas of light snow and even a few breaks in the snow Monday afternoon. Round 2, that next wave, comes mainly around dinner time through the overnight hours Monday. That's going to be where the heaviest snow arrives. And watch, it is a stream that continues from late afternoon Monday overnight all the way through early Tuesday morning. And you can see those areas of darker blue in there indicating more moderate to heavy snow. That's when we're going to see the biggest issues. Again, Monday night into Tuesday morning before the snow starts to clear out by late morning, early afternoon Tuesday. Going to show you the snow tracker again. Mainly those highest totals going to be along and east of that 71 corridor, but focus on those impacts. Whether you get 6 inches, 8 inches, or 10 inches, you're still going to be dealing with some tricky travel problems, especially Monday morning and Monday night into Tuesday. We are not done with the snow after that system. We are tracking another system for later in the week, Thursday, Friday, a real active pattern here. We're going to talk more about the forecast and a nicer end to the weekend here coming up in the next half hour.